Hello traders, today is Thursday, February 29th. Happy leap year. We're doing some pre-market trading only because I see a great opportunity. So the opportunity happens to be on the roadmap. You can see that the market is going and straight up to where it says Zone D up. Now this is a good thing because I want to take it short. But where am I going to take it short? How am I going to take it short? Well, I'm going to explain to you exactly how this is going to work. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So it's about 9 o'clock right now. I'm recording this live. I'm going to put out this video within the next 15-20 minutes on YouTube. So this is not recorded after the fact. This is recorded live. And the opportunity here to go short will only exist if the market lands in that zone right between and around 5100, and then I'm going to sell it. Now there's only one caveat. I will sell it only if there is a reversal, an order on the roadmap. There'll be an indicator that pops up that says to sell it. And so I'm not sure if that's going to happen. I'm going to wait to see if that is going to give us that opportunity. If not, the market will go straight through that zone and then I'll go long. So long if it goes through the zone, short, which I'm anticipating because I see the market kind of going sideways and tailoring off and going sideways as if it's hitting some type of resistance, but I'm going to wait until it lands inside of that roadmap zone. The roadmap is proprietary software by Day Trade to Win. Let me expand this out here a little bit so we could see clearly exactly what to do, how to approach this. The roadmap is that shaded area. This is where price is currently trading. I don't know if the market will immediately reverse off of it. So we need proof, right? So the real important part of this is, do we have evidence that the market is going to reverse once it's landed in the zone? Well, the answer so far is yes. I see a red candle that is posting because the market is in essence reversing. So think of it as profit taking happening. The market is accumulating a position as it goes higher and higher and higher, lands in the zone which we have already predetermined. So we knew this zone existed, and now what I'm waiting for is the proof that it's reversing. The way the roadmap works is based off manipulation. We see a signal now with that arrow there that says it's time to enter short the market. So for those reasons, I can go short the market based on the roadmap signal, based on the roadmap zone, based on the fact that it's reversing with visual evidence, visual proof, and that's why we call it the roadmap, because I can understand each part of what I'm doing. I have a stop. Typically the stop is either just outside the zone on the opposite side, so you see it's above the zone, or you can have it, if it's too far away, what's called a pivotal stop. So these are things that we teach during the live training. We have a couple of other methods to control our risk. So I like to use a time-based stop, which is a set number of candles or time that I'm in a trade. Obviously, if it's not going in my favor, why am I holding on to this position? So a time-based stop is really important as a trader to limit the amount of risk. I also have a very specific target. Now you can trail a stop, so it's not a problem if the market is strong, if it's volatile. This is pre-market. It's a little slow right now. So I think 6, 7, 8 ticks. This is normal market movement for the E-mini S&P. That's what my target's going to be. And lastly, what I don't want to do is re-enter a trade or a revenge trade, or even if it starts going against me, adding to a losing position. So these are things that we try to avoid to be disciplined traders. Now we have the E-mini S&P. Price action trading really can be traded on any market. So if you're a NASDAQ trader, if you're a crude oil trader, a bond trader, we have a few price action methods like the Trade Scalper and the Atlas line. So those are all based on price action and can be applied on any market. Now, one other thing that I want to mention is that the roadmap, even though you can get it separately on its own, we include it with accelerated mentorship. So if you're interested in having lifetime licenses on your software and joining our free trading room, the accelerated mentorship is the right fit for you. So the target was hit. I'm out of the trade. Obviously it's going lower, but I don't really care. I banked my money. I'm done. The market's about to open in 15, 14 minutes. So I'm going to wait until the market opens. I'm going to look for the next opportunity, and that's how we trade price action at Day Trade to Win. If you have any questions, visit daytradetowin.com, and I'll see everyone at the next video.